Hey folks, it's Shawn Kimbro with Chesapeake Light Tackle. Thought it might be fun today just to start at the beginning of a pan fishing trip and kind of go through the whole thing. Let you see a little bit about what it's all about. You know, one of the rules for making interesting fishing videos is you don't start the camera until you know the fish are biting. Well, I don't know if they're biting or not today, but let's see how it goes. Yeah. Whew. I'm going to start out with a float and fly. If you've seen some of my videos before, you know that I really like these little floats. The smaller the float, faster the frequency, the tighter the jerk on the fly, the tighter the snap. And this is just a little 1/32 ounce Popeye fly. I wrote about those in my book. Well, I've fished 3 or 4 spots and I still haven't found them, but I'm going to keep looking. I know they've got to be here somewhere. This low tide's messed me up just a little bit, but what I'm going to try to find is the deepest hole before the lowest shoal, if that makes sense. Because I know they're moving upstream to spawn, so that's where I think they'll be. So I'm going to move down. You see this shoal I've got here? I'm going to move down below this and see if it's any better down there. Now I'm catching Tom Lagana's favorite fish. Fall fish. All it takes is just the slightest change in the movement of that float. Anything that makes it look like it's different from what it's been looking like on every regular jerk. And then you set the hook. Alright, let's give it one more try. I'm gonna have to go home here soon. It looks like this spot. Took him long enough. Come on up here, buddy. Let's see it. Not too bad. Well, they're keeper size perch. They're not huge perch. I got into some really big ones here this year, but they're still not bad. One last cast. I think I've said that 3 times now. Oh, he hit it. I missed him. There he is. Alright, so I gotta go home. Sun's about to set. I think we're gonna try to grill out some tonight. But this is what stream fishing's all about. I mean, this is as fun as it gets.